Hello everyone, welcome to another All Outdoor One video. Today I'm just doing a little tabletop review of my EDC knife that I've been carrying for a few months now, giving a little testing out, but this is really something quite nice. Basically, I've always been a fan of Opinel knives. I really like the blade profiles that they produce, and they use good quality, well heat treated steel. I always found that the handles are a little bit chunky for my EDC purposes. I like, really ultralight, slim kind of gear that doesn't bulk out your pocket when you're carrying it. So this is a little solution that I came up with. Now this meets the UK regulation whereby it's under 3 inches and also a non-locking blade. And there we have it. This is actually the second one of these blades that I've got. The first one, a friend of mine really liked it and wanted one, so I gave it to him for free. But basically, I've taken the old blade out of this one and rehoused it in a Kydex handle. This was done by a good friend of mine, British knife maker Titley. You may have heard of him. Has some really creative ideas. You can check out his blog on Tumblr, and also if you want to get in contact with him, then you can do so at rtknives@hotmail.com. I think the Kydex handle gives this knife a completely new lease of life, and is actually very handy and practical to use. Fits very nicely in the hand. As you can see, it also has a lanyard hole for carrying it on my keys, or if you want to carry it on a lanyard of some type, that's also possible. As you can see, very slim, low profile handle also. I like the carbon steel versions just because the edge retention is just that little bit better. Although for pocket carry, stainless steel wouldn't be a bad option either, as your sweat and moisture from your body wouldn't affect it so much. So that's my Opimod. Handy little bit of kit, very unobtrusive to carry, and I think it looks really cool too. Don't forget to like and subscribe. As you may or may not know, I've got plenty of other good videos out there. Just a couple of shout outs. One goes out to Jedi Knight of the Woods. Hello mate, how you doing? Hope you're good. Another one out to Animal Tendencies. Mick, I hope you're well mate. Also, be sure to go and check out 4 Crows Bushcraft. Good channel with some very instructive videos. More shout outs goes to Fog360, how you doing mate? Sandy from Jacklaw Knives, hope you're well. Another couple of shout outs out to Strat, hope you're good mate. Also out to Funky Prepper, I'll catch you around next time. And one more shout out goes to Mind Wiseman. Thanks for those tips on kayaking up the London Thames. And for now, that's it. So that's been my Opimod EDC knife review. Very capable little blade. And actually I didn't mention this earlier on, but also really great for striking a fire steel on. I've just got this one, as I said, this is my second one as I gave the first one away. And yeah, really enjoying carrying this one. So that's all for now. You guys take care, and I'll see you in the next video.